Namaste from Little Co Yoga Retreat. Today I am going to explain what is the Kapal bhati pranayama and how to practice Kapal bhati pranayama. So Kapal bhati pranayama, basically we should stroke on our belly, alternately stroke on your belly, exhale, 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 and then Uddiyana Bandha, abdominal muscles lock. How to practice? Once you can have a look. At the end, abdominal muscles lock. You have to pull your belly in. And relax. So regular practice of Kapal bhati pranayama helps to reduce fat, cholesterol, fight against many diseases. Thank you very much.